Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science with Partha. In today's video, we will discuss the compare and the copy methods of the series object. The compare method, as the name implies, is used for comparing two series objects and showing the differences in the output. Let us start coding in PyCharm. So I've already gone ahead and imported the pandas library. So let's say we have the following two series objects. Okay, so we have these two series objects, my series 1 and my series 2. Now to find the differences between these two series objects, let's apply the compare method. So we can simply say my series 1 dot compare my series 2. And as soon as we run this command, you can see that in the particular two series, we have the number 10 and 100 which were different. And it is also giving us the location index numbers, index 2 and index 3. In the output, you can also see that it is mentioning self and other. Now, self represents the first series that we had written. So this is corresponding to my series 1 and other corresponds to my series 2. So by default, only the differences are pointed out in the compare method. Now let's discuss about the copy method. Now the name copy implies that it is trying to create certain copies of a particular series object. Now, to understand copy, we have to understand the different kinds of copies that Python is capable of creating. So generally, we have two kinds of copies inside Python. The first is a deep copy and the second is the shallow copy. Now, whenever we say deep copy, it means that when we make the changes to the original item, the copied series remains intact. So there is no change to the copied item whenever we go for a deep copy. So let's look at an example and understand this thing better. So I'm going to consider the my series 1 that we created, and let's take a copy of the my series 1, and I'm going to call this as my series copy. And we can simply say my series 1 dot copy. By default, you can see that the deep parameter is true. So if we just run this, we are going to get a deep copy of our series object. So a copy of my series 1 is now available in my series copy. Now, what happens if we change some data in my series 1? So let's say the first number that we have in my series 1, I'm going to convert that number to 1000. And the easiest way we can do is call on the index and give it a new number. So I'm going to assign the value of 1000 to this. And as soon as we run this, now you can see the my series 1 values have changed. So if we simply print out my series 1, you can see the first value is now 1000. But let's take a look at our copy. So now if I call on the my series copy, you'll observe that my series copy is intact. There is no change in my series copy, even if we have changed the value of the first element in the original series. Hence, in deep copy, the values remain intact in the copied series. Now, when we talk of the shallow copy, it's the exact opposite of the deep copy. That is, when we make any kind of change to the series, the copied item also gets changed. Now, for example, let's take a shallow copy instead of a deep copy. So for this, I'm going to call this as my series shallow, and we'll simply mention this as my series 1 dot copy. But inside this, I'm going to pass in the parameter as deep is equal to false. So by running this command, I'm telling Python to create a shallow copy of my series 1 and save it in my series shallow. Now, let's change a number in my series 1. So let's say now my series 1, the second element, so that is index 1, let's change the value to, let's say, 500. Now when I run this, the second element, that is index 1, is going to be changed to 500. So if I run, we now see that index 1 has a value of 500. But if you look at my series shallow, this value also has changed. You can see in my series shallow, although we had only mentioned my series 1 to be 500, my series shallow has changed the value automatically. Hence, in a shallow copy, the values of a copy is also changes with any change to the original series. So this is what I have for you guys in this video. Let me know which method you found interesting in the comments. And if you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.